The Accelerator Zone Trade Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms from this section. And also, to learn about how it works and operates, they can refer to this page for information about the indicator. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying bullish candles, bearish candles, and range candles within the chart. Here, I set the chart candles to the line mode so that the indicator's candles are displayed more clearly, are shown. The Accelerator Zone Trade Indicator is a practical tool. It allows traders to use it based on green candles, which indicate bullish markets, red candles, which are bearish, and finally, gray candles, which indicate a ranging or neutral market. The Accelerator Zone Trade Indicator is designed based on a combination of the Awesome Oscillator and the Accelerator Oscillator, and by using it, we can estimate the direction along with to identify the price movement within the market. When red candles are displayed, we can consider them as entry signals. For trading or technical analysis, we can look at them in a more specific way and examine the candles. Here we see that the price is in a downtrend, and with technical analysis and examining the candles, we notice that in this area there are two doji candles indicating selling pressure, and eventually the market started to drop, and we can use technical analysis to examine the candles, and after that we see that the price has entered a downtrend. So in this section we can enter a sell position in the market. Or in another part, we see that the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and the indicator is showing bullish candles in green, which are displayed for us, and with technical analysis, we can use them as entry signals for trades. Here, a part of the market has entered a ranging phase. By identifying the formation of a top, we can enter a buy position, or with a pullback to the range area and a green candle, we can use it as confirmation to enter a position and identify the trading opportunity. In the settings section, under input, there are 3 parameters available to us that we can adjust: the color of bullish candles, the color of bearish candles, and the color of the range area. Here we can change them to any color we like. Well, friends, we've reached the end of the tutorial for this indicator as well. We'd be happy if you share your thoughts in the comments section. Please leave your feedback and suggestions for us there.